How to change password in IMO. Want to change your IMO password? This guide shows you how to change your password in IMO so you can keep your account secure. First, you should know that the main way to secure your account is with a passcode lock. To set this, go to profile page and then go to settings and then account and security and finally passcode lock. Here you can set a 4-digit passcode for your account. This is a very useful feature that can help you keep your account secure from the other people who might use your phone. You can also set a time after which the app will automatically lock your account. You can also set up a 2-step verification PIN. This is a very useful feature that can help you keep your account secure from the people who might have your phone number. You can find this option on account and security. You now know how to change your password, so get ready to keep your account secure. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.